Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hopefully you're having a comfortable start to your day out there as we take a live look at a Mercy Out SkyTrack camera up in Beloit, Wisconsin. We did start off with some sunshine, but a little activity coming in from the west did turn our skies mostly cloudy, and that's what most of the state line is seeing currently at the moment. But it was a very chilly start this morning. A few spots getting down into the upper 20s, but you can see with that freeze warning, it has been canceled for our areas up in southern Wisconsin and also to areas out towards the west, including Stevenson County, Joe Daviess County, Carroll, and Whiteside County. All those counties have been taken out of the freeze warning. The counties that are shaded still in purple are under that freeze warning until 9 o'clock this morning. But still grab that heavier jacket if you're going to be heading out towards the midday hours. You can see temperatures right now in Rockford, 33 degrees, 36 up in Janesville, 37 in Freeport, 37 also in Savannah, and 32 degrees out in Galena. Now, with that activity, does show on satellite and radar that there is some light flurries making their way into the area, but just because of how dry the air is towards the surface, none of those flakes are actually making it towards the ground. So all this is doing is bringing in some more cloud cover as we head into the mid-morning hours. There'll be a better chance to see precipitation once we get into the midday hours. And that's with a weak disturbance that is now moving through Minnesota. That's going to be making its way in by midday, and that's what's going to be bringing us our best chance to see a couple of showers that will stretch into the afternoon. So let's take a look at that using Futurecast. You can see as we head towards midday today, there's going to be a cluster of light showers making their way into the state line. You see a little bit of purple there. I think this model is taking into how cold the air is aloft in the atmosphere. So it's going to start out falling as snowflakes, but once it hits those warmer temperatures, it'll quickly melt to what we call grapple or soft hail, and then also maybe even to some light rain. But overall, we'll have another chance for a few scattered showers heading into the evening commute. They'll be very light and scattered in nature before we clear out heading into the night tonight. Now, we're going to see increasing clouds into tomorrow morning, and that's because of a warm front that is going to be lifting through the state line. This is going to be ramping up the winds across the state line and then also keeping us pretty cloudy into tomorrow afternoon. Now, with the winds tomorrow, it's going to be very gusty going into the afternoon, and that's because of an area of low pressure to our northwest and an area of high pressure to our southeast. And because how close these two systems are together, that's going to be ramping up and tightening the pressure gradient at the surface. And I always say the tighter the pressure gradient, the stronger the wind gusts are going to be. And you can see as we head into the afternoon tomorrow, pretty strong winds out of the southwest, about 40 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts, and still looking at wind gusts in the 30s as we head into tomorrow evening. So 55 degrees for a high today. Clouds do increase as we head towards midday. A few showers are possible during the afternoon. Now, temperatures a little bit warmer thanks to those winds tomorrow with a high of 64, dropping down to 49 on Sunday and staying pretty cool as we head into the start of next week. Now,